am Nikita Rustiki. I am the regional director for Sondigre. Sondigre is a French company established in 1988. It's a global creative agency, and we work from everything in terms of building brands from scratch, working on their identity design, packaging design. We work on experiential retail concepts. We do also the marketing part of things. So we kind of support brands in the entirety of the journey from concept to reaching the consumer in the most impactful way. The place we have in CMPL is, of course, extremely complementary because we are in the midst of an ecosystem of suppliers, manufacturers, formulation experts. So to bring an entire brand to life, every part of the industry plays a role, and that's where we also come in, where we take a founder's vision and we bring it kind of to reality through design, brand strategy, and creation. So I think for us, it's very strategic for us to participate in CMPL every year, I would say. Yeah. I think when I built the agency in India, we were very much specialized in beauty, but the vision for me was kind of to be more of specialists of branding rather than just specialists of a particular sector. And what we loved working was with founders and startups. So because they are more entrepreneurial, they bring a new creative energy, they're willing to risk a bit more. So the creation aspect of things is more dynamic with startups, I would say. So for me, CMPL was extremely crucial in reaching the kind of clients that we wanted, because we do get people who are looking to build nutraceutical brands, wellness brands, FMCG brands, healthcare brands, even beauty and personal care. So for us, it's the right, I would say, medium to kind of connect with the right partners, and I would say even collaborate with the right brand owners. So I think for us, the journey has been 3 years, and I think it's been quite promising for us in that terms. I mean, the ecosystem is very dynamic, right? I see, of course, the fact that there's a lot of celebration of Make in India, especially through these forums. What I see as an opportunity is to bring in more innovation, especially on the lines of sustainability, because that's where consumer demand is kind of heading to. So I see a lot of opportunity in that space, I would say. Another thing I would see is maybe the entire expo going global could be quite interesting, because you have already got a very good stronghold in Bombay, in India itself. So going global, and I think bringing the power of India and the manufacturing and the creative aspect of India, bringing it more on a global stage. I think I would like to see MPL do that a bit more. Yeah, I would say dynamic.